This is a keyboard made of raw chicken breast, but it will wither. I saw someone use fruit as a touch sensor. I eat chicken breast every day, so I wanted to try it. Let us see if it conducts. It works, it actually works. It is broken. Water everywhere, short it out. The next morning, it died of thirst. I tried to save it. Too late. It needed to stay alive. So I built it a life support system. Peltier cooler. Ultrasonic humidifier. Let it rest. Sleep tight. The cold kept it fresh. But I killed it. The flesh was too weak. It was time to evolve. Agar for structure. Salt for conductivity. After every session, it goes back to sleep. Good night.